Hi, I'm Chris with Crawl Space Door Systems in Virginia Beach. Thank you for your continued support. Whether you're a pest control company, a do-it-yourselfer, or a contractor, we have all the crawl space products you'll need. If you're looking for a fan for ventilation, a sump pump or a sump pump bucket for drainage, or one of our crawl space doors to retrofit your crawl door, or one of the vent wells we carry, or if you simply need encapsulation products such as our vent covers, or our line of polys that we offer, or just a pack of cap vapor barrier discs, we offer it. Please visit our website or feel free to call us directly with any questions.